This video explains how you can install a node in Mac system. So you can directly install the node using brew install node command, like this: brew install node, and then node will be installed. But that is not the correct way to go about installing node. The best way to install node is by using nvm. NVM is node version manager. With NVM you can install different types or versions of the nodes at the same time, and switch to specific version of node very easily. That's why I will recommend that you install the node using NVM. So before that you have to install the NVM, and for that this is the command brew install NVM. So what will happen is that it will install the NVM after this command brew install NVM. Once the NVM is installed, you can see the list of all the node versions using this command nvm ls-remote, nvm ls-remote, and it will display all the versions that are available for the node that you can download or install. So you can see that there are so many versions available. So if you want to install any of this version, all you have to do is just execute this command called as nvm install and then version number. Let us say I want to install 11, the latest version, that is 11.11.0. Just hit enter and then it will install that specific version number of the node. So now it is downloading and then it will install the node of that version. I have already installed other versions as well using the same command, just change the version number. So you can see that I've installed this node 11.11.0. To see the list of all the nodes that you have got, you can use this command npm list, and it will display all versions are installed on your system. So you can see that the blue ones that you see here are installed on my system, and out of that I'm using that 11.11.0 right now. So as it is pointed here, and default is 6.0. So that is how you can install the typical version of the node. And if you want to switch the node, like node version, like right now I'm using 11.11.0, but let us say I want to use other version, then I can use this command nvm use, let us say I want to use 8.15.0, and then it will start using that version of the node. As you can see, right now I'm using 8.15. That's how you can switch between different node versions, or you can also use node dash version to see the current version that you're using. So you can see that that is 8.15.0, and after that you can also use npm command as well. Like if you want to install any packages, you can use npm install appium or whatever, any other package. Or so npm is a node package manager, so if you want to install any package, you can use npm command. That is how you can use this node and nvm and npm on Mac. Thanks for watching this video.